Look here, look here, look here. Loaf of bread. Slice of bread. Crumbs. Don't want to make the stage too dirty, right? Are you going to make the decision today to leave the crumbs? Don't live for the slice, but go after the loaf.
All right. That's good.
Are you going to make the decision that crumbs is not what you're supposed to even be living for? Just enough. Just making it. Just getting by. But you move yourself to the place where you say, I want to have a slice. No, I want the loaf. Matter of fact, there's some people in here that say, I just want the factory.